This is the ELITE-5 series of 5 1/4 inch pairs of powered bookshelf speakers with a Bluetooth, 2 1/4 inch microphone inputs, an optical input, and a full control remote. These speakers are available in 3 different colors of black, white, and classic wood, and all of the speakers comes with a pair of 5 1/4 inch speakers where one speaker is active and one is passive with the wire to connect the speakers to each other, a remote control, and a 3.5mm to RCA AUX cable to connect the speakers to a computer, laptop, etc. These speakers are the perfect sound centerpiece for your home theater room, bedroom or office, gaming setup, and even if you're trying to host karaoke parties in your home. But before I say anything else, let's go to Perry, who has a demo set up for us.
What's up, guys? So I have my ELITE-5 bookshelf speakers all set up here and ready to go. I have my tablet connected to the speakers so I can play some music for you guys and show you what these speakers can do. So much range. You're playing right at my end too. Oh my god, it really packed a bunch. I'm feeling the vibration right now. Whoa, that's crazy. So cool. What's also really cool is that there are 2 microphone inputs on the speaker, so I can connect 2 microphones at a time. I have one connected here right now, so if I turn it on, check 1 2, check 1 2, you'll hear my voice coming out of both speakers. Now I can adjust the overall sound of the microphone through the mic controls on the back of the speaker or with the wireless remote control. With it, I can also adjust how much echo we put on our voice, so if I turn that up, check 1 2, you'll hear the echo. And what's also really cool is that we can use the iPad and the microphone together for a karaoke setup. So on my iPad, I can go to the YouTube app and look up any karaoke version of a song and start singing along while the music is playing through the speakers and reading the lyrics on the iPad at the same time. And I can also add the echo for extra flair, and now I have a killer karaoke setup. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold, only shooting stars break the mold. Yeah!
So from the demo, you can see the ELITE-5 speakers are super versatile and unique speakers that sound incredible. We used high-grade components like silk dome tweeters and a powerful 5 1/4 inch woofer, all enclosed in a beautiful and thick MDF enclosure with a rear port. We used a powerful Class D amplifier along with digital sound tuning that gives this speaker system a warm sound with a full frequency range and punchy bass. On the front of each speaker is a grill that is removable to give you 2 different styles to best fit the aesthetic of your setup, and on the front of the active speaker is an LED screen to let you know what input mode you are in. We offer many source playback options built into the unit, including Bluetooth, USB, and memory card. And then where this unit gets really cool is these unique input and output options. We have 2 microphone inputs with echo control so that you can use this system for karaokeing along with your favorite songs. There's an optical input so you can easily connect it to your TV's optical port, and then there's an RCA output allowing you to either connect a powered subwoofer, another set of these speakers, or any other powered speaker or amplifier to these speakers. There's also a standard RCA input to plug in any other sources like a computer, DVD player, Blu-ray player, gaming console, etc. The system offers tons of audio control options where there's a master volume, bass, and treble knob on the side of the active speaker so you can fine-tune the sound to your liking. There are also preset EQ curves like rock, pop, etc., so you can further customize the sound experience. On the back of the active speaker, you can also adjust the microphone settings with the adjustments for mic bass, mic treble, mic echo, and mic volume. This makes the ELITE-5s the perfect system for karaoke and conference rooms. You can also control all of the functions of the system from the included remote. The remote works from pretty far and you can control everything from volume, source, sound controls, mic controls, and more. Check out our how-to video on the ELITE-5 series to get a full breakdown of the remote and the rest of the system. So if you're looking for a pair of powered bookshelf speakers with Bluetooth, microphone inputs with microphone echo control, an optical input, and a full control remote, look no further than the ELITE-5 series from Rockville.